Okay, so let's put it together. It's quite simple. We'll just take the drum assembly and put in the pulp discharger, slot it onto the unit like so, insert the strainer, followed by the auger. Make sure it's all nice and neatly done there. Then we put on the top. Just turn it around until it slots into place. And if we needed to, we could use this. But we probably won't because it's a vertical unit and we're going to just drop things down into it. So you can see the size. Very good footprint. And it's got 3 controls on the top. Basically we've got start, power and stop, and then we've got a reverse button as well. So just to give you an idea of the sound, let's just press start. So as you can hear, we're not here, it's got a very quiet engine to it.